So one of the best tools to use if you're looking to start a digital product store is Digital Maker AI. If you haven't heard of this tool, it's capable of doing so many different things that can support you through multiple different stages of the digital product creation process, from helping you build the actual product to creating a website and even helping you with generating traffic. I get a lot of questions as to how this AI tool works because many of you want to use it, but you're not sure 100% as to how it's going to benefit you. So in today's video, I'm going to break it down, show you as many features as possible, and I'm going to try to do it in a simple step-by-step fashion. So if you are a beginner that is thinking about launching a digital product in 2026 and you're looking to use the power of AI, this video is going to give you a clear understanding as to how you can get started. Alright, so to find Digital Maker AI, all you need to do is go to the top link in my description. And once you click onto that, this is going to be the homepage that you're going to see. And for those of you that's not really sure of exactly what it is, what it does, the tagline on the homepage is going to tell you everything you need to know that you can create digital products in minutes, not months. The sign up process is straightforward as well. All you need to do is click on get started and you can either sign up using your Gmail or you can sign up using a regular email address. And once you've logged in, you should see a similar page that looks like this. So the goal of today's video is to break down as many features as possible. I may go through every single feature because I want this video to help anyone out there start their process of building a digital product store. So I may not spend too much time on each feature, but by the end of this video, you're going to have a full comprehensive understanding. So let's start off with the chat feature. With this one, it's quite simple. It works like any regular AI chat tool. You can have a conversation with it, ask any question, and because it's been programmed to help you with digital product selling, it's going to give you the appropriate answers. Even if you wanted to talk about anything other than digital products, you can also do that. But the main USP of the chat feature above ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any other AI tool is that it's been geared towards the realm of digital products. On the interface, you're going to see that it's very simple and you've got three different options. You've got basic, pro, and plus. So plus is going to give you the best answers possible. Pro is also decent. And if you're looking for quick and fast answers, you can always go with basic. So for now, I'm going to be using plus and I want to show you one of the latest updates that's been made to it, which is the attachment feature. With this one, you can click on the paperclip and attach any photo, type in a prompt, and whatever you're trying to do, the AI tool is going to come back with the best answer. And to quickly show you a demonstration as to how it works, let's say if I found a competitor that I want to replicate and I wanted the chat feature to help me do it, what I can do is go onto the competitor's store, which is this one, and maybe scroll down to all of their different products. Let's zoom out so we can get a better look. Okay, so right here, we've got a list of all of the different digital products that they're selling. So what I can now do is just take a screenshot of these products and then drag and drop the image in there just like that and enter my prompt. All I'm going to say is here is a screenshot taken from my competitor's page. Give me a list of all of their products and rank them from the best to the least in terms of what is being searched for on the internet. What Digital Maker AI is going to do is analyze all of the different images, and then it should come back with a list of the best ones that are being searched for on Google right now. So as we can see, it's come back with the structured list and it's also ranked them. And one of the best ones, according to Digital Maker AI, is going to be the business annual budget template. And if we go over to Google Trends, all of us can clearly see that there's a lot more demand for this specific template. Ever since 2025, more and more people have gone onto Google for whatever reason to search for this. And right now we're at an all-time high. So yeah, that's how the chat feature works. And of course, you could just have a general conversation with it as well. So let's move on to one of the next features, which is the ad library. Now, this feature is actually quite interesting because what you're able to do is spy on active digital product stores that are using Facebook and Instagram ads as a way to get traffic to their products. And all you need to do is just either type in the name of the product, or you can even type in the name of the store as well. But for now, I'm just going to type in the keyword that we was able to find, which was budget template, and then click on search. And right there, as you can see, it's now come back with all of these different ads that are active right now as we speak. So yeah, this is something I personally use every single day because if you're able to find a winning ad, you can now replicate it. And if you're a beginner that doesn't even have a store, you can also replicate the overall store that they've been able to build. And to show you exactly what I mean, let's take a look at this guy's ad right here. What I'm going to do is just click on play.
$150,000 a year, and we budget every paycheck together. Here's how we do it. She brings in $6,700 a month and I make $5,800.
So yeah, I'm sure that you get the point as to the different videos that people are using for their Instagram and Facebook ads. The really cool thing about this is that you can also see where they're sending the traffic to as well. So all of these different links, whether it's learn more, download, there's going to be shop now, there's going to be different call to action buttons that you can click directly into. And what it's going to do is take you directly to the product page. And as you can see, this is a very simple budget template for Microsoft Excel. So just by using Digital Maker AI, so far I've been able to find a trending keyword for a product that's doing well right now according to Google Trends. And I've also been able to find a store that is using meta ads. But the next question is, how do we know that they're bringing in any type of revenue? Well, this brings me on to one of the next features of Digital Maker AI, which is the competitor research feature. If we just go back onto it, what I'm going to do is go to the left hand side, click into this, and all you simply need to do is just paste the URL of any Shopify store, WooCommerce store in here just like this, and then click on Analyze. And what it should do is come back with a lot of useful information to help you make a decision on if it's worth building a similar digital product store or not. So we can see the estimated traffic numbers over here. We can also see the total amount of products on this section, the average selling price, which is also helpful, and the total estimated revenue per month. So this is another feature that I personally use on a regular basis because if you guys don't know, one of my key strategies that I like to use with any type of new venture that I'm looking to do is to make sure that there's someone that's doing it on a larger scale. If I'm thinking about building any type of store, if I can see that someone is doing really well in that particular niche selling a similar product, then there's going to be a higher chance that I'm going to succeed as well. Because with this, you can essentially see exactly what they're doing for them to drive traffic to their products. You can see the top ranking keywords. E.g., we can see that they've got a total of 30 different active meta ads at the moment on Facebook and Instagram. They're not using Google ads, and we can also see the daily estimated sales over here as well. So yeah, this is definitely a feature that's worth checking out because you can also scroll down, take a look at their complete product catalog, click into any of them, and it's going to take you directly to the product page. But if we just go back to this one for a moment, which is the one that they're sending traffic to, I want to show you another feature with Digital Maker AI, which is the product analyzer. Because with this, what you can now do is just copy the entire URL. And when I say entire URL, I'm talking about the link to the actual product, and then click on the left-hand side over here where it says product research. Paste the link in there just like that, and then click on Analyze. And what this feature does is that it analyzes not the entire store, but specifically the product. And the reason why this is going to be helpful once it loads is because you're going to see some new angles that you can take. You're going to see some ways that you can replicate it. You're also going to get a replication score as well. And this replication score is going to let you know if a product is worth building or not. It's going to let you know how difficult it is. E.g. right here, we can see that it's now come back. It's letting us know that the replication potential is 3 out of 5. That's not bad at all. If we just scroll down over here, we can see different metrics for the market demand, differentiation potential, build effort, profit potential, and we can also get a deep dive analysis on all of these different metrics on the right hand side. So the reason why this is really helpful is mainly because of the differentiation analysis. With this one, you can read up on this and see exactly how you can make the product slightly different if you don't want to build the exact same one that your competition is selling. But let's move on to one of the next features. If you're now in the position where you want to start building out your website so that you can start listing it with digital products, which is going to be the website maker. So this is one of the latest features that's been added, and recently it's been made available for free users. So if you don't have a paid account, you can still use it to build a custom website. And when I say custom, I mean that the website that it's going to come back with is going to be one that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere else. And the really good thing about this website maker is that it's going to be hosted using Shopify, which means that you've got access to the Shopify app store where there's going to be thousands of different apps that you can connect to your website for you to increase your chances of making a sale. But generally speaking, the way that this website maker works is really simple. You're just going to click into it. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just need to click on the main item that you're thinking about selling. So I'm going to do a complete U-turn. I'm not going to use spreadsheet in today's video. I'm going to use the example of a digital planner. And the store that I'm going to build is going to be centered around helping, let's say, social media content creators plan out their content much better. So I'm going to build digital products around this. So let's call the store Creator Planner just like that. Who is my audience? I'm going to say YouTubers. For the brand color scheme, I'm just going to go with this one right here. From there, I now need to activate my Shopify trial. So you don't need to pay anything, well, really you only need to pay $1. So it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just need to enter your email address, make payment for the $1. And by the way, you're not going to be limited to the capabilities of what you can do with Shopify. You're going to be able to use it like any other person that paid the full $29 or $39. The plan that you're going to go with is going to be the basic plan. So you're just going to click into it like that. You're going to skip this customization step. That's what I do anyway. Once you get to this stage where your Shopify account is now ready, you're just going to go back over to the website maker, confirm that you've completed that step. And then from there, what it's going to do is now start the process of building out the website and customizing everything. So it shouldn't take too long, probably 1 minute or so. And just like that, as you can see, the store is now ready. Now, I actually did this earlier, probably an hour ago, got the store built, and I did do a couple things with it, mainly just added the logo to it, which I also use Digital Maker AI to help me with as well. Before I show you the store, if you want to make any type of image, you could just go over to the image maker and there's going to be the option to make a custom logo. So all I simply did is click into it just like this, entered the information as to the store that I'm building. And I even went back onto my competitor's website for me to now copy their logo by taking a screenshot of it and telling the logo maker to replicate it using a similar style. And it was able to come back with some decent options. So yeah, that's the main addition that I did to this store, but everything else that you can see is completely custom and was done and built using the power of AI. But let's move on to one of the main features of Digital Maker AI that it was actually built on, which is the fact that it's one of the best prompt generators that are out there. It's able to build custom prompts to help you with your digital product needs within a matter of seconds. So whatever type of AI tool that you prefer using, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook LM, so on and so forth, you can go onto the prompt maker, enter exactly what you're trying to do, go through all of the questions, and it's going to come back with a custom prompt. So as always, I'm just going to quickly show you an example. So let's say if I was looking to build a brand new app, what I could do is click into Horizons, and then it's going to ask me questions like what type of web app do I want to build? As an example, let's go with some type of stock investing app. So I'm just going to answer these questions. I'm going to tell it exactly what type of app I want to build, exactly how I want it to function, the color scheme. And what it's then going to do is come back with a full custom prompt that I can now copy, click directly into Horizons, paste it in there just like that. And by the way, Horizons is one of the best app builders out there. And then from there, what it's going to do is come back with a fully functional app. And by the way, this is something that you can do with any AI tool for any reason. If you want to build, let's say, some sort of digital product, you're going to be able to do that. You can just click, let's say, into Claude, follow through with the questions. From there, it's going to give you that custom prompt. You can paste it into Claude and you can get a fully functional, fully sellable digital product. Or let's say if you're thinking about starting some sort of a faceless YouTube channel, what you can do is click into Notebook LM. It's going to take you through similar questions, asking you what type of channel you want to start. And at the end of it, you're going to get a custom prompt for Notebook LM that is going to guide you through everything you need to do. And it's going to build out the entire process and the blueprint to the faceless channel that you're looking to build. So yeah, the possibilities are truly endless when it comes to using the prompt maker in regards to what you're capable of doing. I do have another video coming out real soon where I'm going to spend a lot more time breaking down everything about the prompt maker. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. But let's move on to one of the next features that I want to show you guys, which is the product maker. So with this, you're able to make some of the best digital products that are out there. Things like ebooks, digital planners, as well as spreadsheets. It's not difficult to use in the slightest. Let's say if I was looking to build a similar spreadsheet to this one that we found at the start of this video, all I need to do is just click into it just like that, tell it what the main purpose is. I'm just going to say that it's going to be a budget business spreadsheet. Let's just put that. Click on continue. What software will I be using? We're going to go with Microsoft Excel. What features do I want? I'm just going to say I want all of these. Click on continue. Roughly how much data will it handle? Well, it's going to be for a small business, so let's go with that. And I want it to have a visual style of professional and corporate. And as you can see right there, it's now gone straight to work to start building out the spreadsheet. So this process, as you can see, is super quick. It's already on 53%. So I'm just going to wait for it to be done and I'm going to show you exactly what it came back with. Okay, perfect. So right there, we can see the spreadsheet is now ready. So all I need to do is just click on download file. Okay, so this is what it was able to come back with. It's given me the instruction page so that the users know exactly how to use it. We've also got the template for every single month. And we've also got a dashboard that's going to have pie charts, line charts, bar charts. That's going to make things look a lot more professional. So yeah, this is one of the many types of spreadsheets that you can build using Digital Maker AI. If you want to build spreadsheets for Amazon sellers, let's say stay-at-home mums, if you want to build a spreadsheet that's going to help 9-to-5 workers, you can do pretty much anything. But let's now move on to one of the final features that I want to show you guys, which is the video maker. So with this, what you can do is generate a custom video that looks unique, it looks realistic, and you can basically use it to promote whatever digital product that you're selling. So as an example, let's say if I wanted to make a video promoting this one, and it's going to be a video that I can either use as a paid ad. If I want to use it as an Instagram organic post, I can do that as well. So as long as you've got the actual image of the product, all you need to do is first and foremost enter a prompt and describe what your video is. Now, one tip I want to give you is that you don't want to just give it one line or just be really brief. You want to make sure that you're as detailed as possible about your video. Otherwise, it's not going to come back with the best results. And when I say that you need to be detailed, I mean really detailed. That means you need to talk about the scene. You need to talk about the people that's going to be in the scene. Is there going to be one person, two people? What exactly do you want to be done with your digital product? Every single aspect, even down to the lighting, the type of room that they're in, you need to make sure that you mention it in this box. So as you can see, this is the prompt that I've used. I'm just going to briefly show it to you just so that you can see. But what I'm going to do is select the 15-second duration. I'm also going to say that I want the video to be formatted for mobile phones. And I'm also going to drag and drop my image of the digital product in there just like that. And I'm going to add a voiceover. I'm going to go with this one right here. And for the delivery style, I'm going to go with add voiceover, and I'm going to click on generate video plus voiceover. And just like that, within 2 minutes, it's now come back with this fully customized video. So what I want to do is just quickly play it just so that you guys can see the type of video that you can go away and start generating yourself.
Unlock your creativity. Dive into your YouTube journey with confidence. A digital planner keeps you organized and focused. Transform your ideas into stunning content. Start planning today.
And there we go, guys. Just like that, as you can see, that was the video that it was able to make. So, it looks perfect. It's got the actual digital planner on the iPad right there. The scene looked good. The camera angles look good, and it looked realistic. So once again, you can use this in a number of different ways. If you wanted to download only the video without any audio, you can do that. If you wanted to download both of them together, of course, you can do that as well. If you want to regenerate it and get another video made, you've also got that option. But I'd say for the most part, those are some of the main things that you need to know about all of the different features. Finally, if I just go over to history, it's going to be here where you can now view every single thing that you've done with Digital Maker AI, whether it's a prompt, whether it's searching for a competitor, generating a video, making an ebook, building any type of website. Everything is going to be listed in the history section. And don't forget, if you want to sign up to Digital Maker AI for completely free, I'm going to leave it linked down below. It should be the top link in the description. Be sure to check that out whilst it's still free so that you don't miss out. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to spend a lot more time breaking down the actual step-by-step process that goes into building a digital product and being able to list it on your store so that you can start selling it. You can watch that video by clicking the link on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.